Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No. Never look back. Never look back. No. There's no place I'd rather be. 'Cause we're gone when you're staring back at me. 'Cause we're gone.
Good morning, William fam. I am up and it's another day. Look at this one here. Huh? Where is here? Oh, we got some ripe plantain. So I'm up about to go make breakfast, well, brunch. Alright guys, so don't mind my counter, it's a mess, but me, I gotta go get Karine. So but I'm starting to cut up the peppers and stuff. I gotta get up the cheese. Yes, look at this, I got a big block of cheese that I was able to get this. Where I got this from? Progressive. Because I needed it to make the lasagna. Good morning. But I'm also going to use some of it to make breakfast because I'm making omelets. But they actually have them, you can buy them. That was about a good couple, well, more than $1,000 for that cheese. Jamaican currency, guys, Jamaican currency. So it probably equivalent to maybe 20 bucks US. Oh, I got egg.
One jump out how much?
Really?
Watch, look. You see? It's something not good.
You know, good. So bring it in.
So show me because.
Good morning, Lanny Boo.
Good morning.
You ready for breakfast?
Yes.
Yes. I gotta go get mommy. Oh, I gotta go collect the bananas and stuff like that. So French toast, pancakes, grilled cheese, omelets,
Good cheese
and
and bread.
some homemade hash browns as well. Yes. So that is what is up for breakfast. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I think I need to get a new camera. This is not good at all because my camera keeps shutting off. So I need to invest in a new camera. I guess it's time for upgrade. I don't know what is going on. It just keeps shutting off and I keep having to turn it on back every second. This is not good at all. So I'm going to get started on this stuff. Finish cutting up what I'm cutting up, the onions and the peppers and stuff like that, and I will get back to you. Alright, we got Mrs. Williams in the kitchen. So we're doing a nice big up breakfast. Yeah, see done. So we're doing some homemade hash browns. So use this spatula face here. Get one of the plates and you put them on. So and we got grilled cheese, we got pancakes here, so we got regular pancakes, we also got banana pancakes, and we're also doing omelets. So we got the regular one for the people, the one with the mix up, and we also have here, and we also got what do you call it, French toast that we are making this morning. So that is for breakfast. So that is what's up. Okay, now putting the rest of them. Yeah. Put the rest of them on. So look at that. So that's what it is. That one? Yeah. I love them something there, you know. That's why I say I need my things in my kitchen, guys. Oh gosh. So when a woman have every essential thing she needs in her kitchen, she good. And then that's the last one. That is good. Okay. Alright, so So that is what we're in here doing this morning. So the girls, the ladies, them are making breakfast, and the boys, them.
Okay, wait.
And then we don't know where they are. Yeah. The guys, them are just resting till we're ready. Yes. So we got more help in the kitchen. They got the young lady look like an old woman with the bonnet on. Young girl. Say, young girls, this is what not to do. Wear your bonnet all day. You gotta keep young and fresh. And Miss Giselle gone as usual. Yes, guys, we get one more new helper, the other one run left gone. And now we see Michelle. Oh, Mr. Williams.
Next time, you can take them liquor.
Yep. So what do you think this is?
I'm better when name big.
Time to go eat.
No, you know, it's because I know. People did that, you should have made it small.
Ron, you just cut up the fruit platter. Eh? Eh, Ron? You're just cutting up the fruit platter and we think say you're done? Eh? Oh gosh. And the waka food where we just make and we think say you finish?
I don't make waka food.
Where you say waka food? Where you say I don't know? Yeah. What? Oh, the fruit platter? Where banana? The banana in there. Cut up. Lenny, wait. Come on in here.
You don't have to quit because there's
all right, guys. So
in the name of Jesus.
we need this.
One of my favorite songs.
So good enough.
Where is it? Buffet style breakfast.
Grab some I would for you.
Okay. I'm craving people, yeah. Yeah, I'm craving. Okay, well, Mr. Williams about to start getting the soursop juice prepared for tomorrow. Yes, that is a part of it. He made the punch. Cassie, hey, you two behave yourself. Come on, get off my leg. Ow, ow. What is... All right. Too dark. Okay, only two want to stop it. Stop it. I'm gonna ram too much. Okay. So, Mr. William is peeling. You usually peel it like that, or people use their hand to peel it?
Yeah, to peel it, but we didn't use any hands. So we don't use.
No, yeah, use a knife peeling. So, yeah, so Mr. William, they use him hand to peel the soursop.
Yeah, my soursop spoil.
Ooh, they made these spoil. Ooh, that is loud. That is loud. Eh?
Yeah, make sure your hand have it clean.
Of course, your hand have to clean. You hear that, guys? You gotta make sure your hand is clean in order to use it.
Alright, now you use the soursop.
Huh?
Now you use the soursop.
What?
My hand.
Oh, your hand, yeah. And no dirt in the fingernails. Okay. Gotta get the stuff them, start prepping the stuff them for tomorrow's dinner as well. Most of them, I wish one of them come to this. Yeah, so them put half of it in.
Oh,
Babe, this needs to come out now and get cut off. What about this? How many other plans to cut off?
no, you need to do that.
Huh?
No, you have to do that.
Where do you need to do it?
You can't do everything.
I don't know something else.
Really know?
Yeah, I don't really know, seriously. I'm being serious?
Too bad for you.
Okay, yes.
Make some water.
Huh?
Some water. Water. You see what I'm saying? You know, it's a crab my hand.
They cold?
What? Come get the water fast. You're not freeze.
That's it, tata.
No matter. No, you need more water.
They need more water?
Of course.
How much more water do you need?
We'll eat more.
Or what are you gonna use to sweeten it?
Condensed milk, you know, and lime. So, something there. Sugar and lime, you know that.
Okay.
Yeah, condensed milk. Tin milk.
Hmm?
I use the tin milk.
No.
I like the taste of the lime for the...
Oh, okay. Yeah. And so these were what we had bought last week. No, the other day. Monday? Yeah. So we had bought those the other day actually. So we gotta take these out, take them. I wonder where they put the ground beef. I'm gonna tell them to put it in the fridge. I told them to take them out, you know, and start putting the stuff. Huh?
So they need to take them out.
I told them to take them out because if they're not thawed, how am I going to be able to make them tomorrow?
Let's see what you did.
Maybe they took them out.
I'll put them where?
That's the thing. That's it. And there's some.
Come back to water here.
You need to,
Hello.
I gotta peel the potatoes. Okay.
Don't you all right? Two more.
That's good.
Pasta, clear dish, and put this something in there.
You want this one too? The strainer? Juice.
Here you go, baby.
There you go, beer. So, no, not go beer too.
Me ever clean and fresh.
You fresh. Look on your head.
Hey, when you don't look on my ear yesterday, you should have seen my ear and my ear comb.
Nah, I need
So
to
go
come
brush
today.
your over this tomorrow. Bye.
I'm gonna go shower up. We're gonna go watch the movie.
That's for tomorrow.
What's for tomorrow? Get down.
Tomorrow night.
You're not getting nothing about tomorrow. What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night what?
Tomorrow night I'll display got it.
You're not getting none. I make sure you're not getting none.
But then next door you're not going to get none neither.
You wanna bet me?
Bet me. Don't eat some of my lunch.
You bet me, yes.
Bet me. Now bet me. Bet me.
So you be a bit.
What you want bet me for? Eh? I know me if you bet, you if you bet.
You hear one crack.
You hear one crack? Are you mashy up? Oh no, Lana,
Okay.
you're mashy?
No.
Yes.
No.
You're mashy, man, you're mashy.
We'll eat that one.
No, you go eat the one where you mash.
Yes.
Yeah, you must.
You gotta get to. You gotta get to your uncle.
Guess what?
Don't eat the seed.
Nico! Here, little rat vice. Johnny!
No, Papa.
Telling lies.
No,
I saw
Papa.
eating sugar.
No, Papa.
I'm gonna know your side.
Open your mouth.
I know that part there. Handsome Miko!
Coming over.
Miko! Hi! Johnny!
No, Papa. Eating sugar. No, Papa. Telling lies. No, Papa. Open your mouth. Yay.
Okay, so now what are you doing? Straining? Yeah, strain. I wonder if me should put the bomb in them for soak from tonight.
Why?
Wait, why?
No.
Why has a long tail?
Well, make me hungry.
Guys, that egg, well, that tray was full this morning and now the food is only full.
Why did me bring come this morning?
Yeah?
So what do we do?
Where me and who know? How much I get eat this morning? How much I eat this morning?
Really?
You had French toast, which requires egg mix. And there was 2 different forms of omelet require egg mix. So what you expect, Mr. Williams?
Yeah, I believe you.
I know.
I don't know batty food though.
We love batty food. No, you love your batty food. They gone like butter against sun. So why you put it in here? Cause you're gonna restrain it. Yes, sir. Yeah, learn how to cook Lanny Bo or mixed juice.
I'll come in here to
So
come
my
out.
next one.
Which next one? Come out.
One.
No.
Yes, Lanny help you. Lanny, tell him say I help him.
You know, so that's why you don't be drink Soursop juice or anybody.
Why?
Because no people using hand.
So if they don't use their hand, what if you use it?
Some people use spoon and so that's training, but you still require your hand.
Yeah, because forget all the juices. You hear that, people? Mario thought enough of know something new. Because if your fingernails are not clean and people are do that, say, ugh, gross. But then again, I same thing when it comes to like eating flour from people. When you eat dumpling, any food will require always they use your fingers. But then you can still make flour without actually. So you can use your hand to make the spoon to make the flour and mix it up, mix up the mixture. But when it comes to kneading it at a palm, you use your palm instead of your actual fingernails. For those that didn't know, they can do it that way. So, but that's why a lot of people don't eat flour from people as well. For the seeds, Uncle's gonna juice it again. Yeah. Yeah. Again.
What?
I can't wait to have my cupboards, guys. I can't wait to have my cupboards. Huh? This one?
Not that big one. Alright, give me.
One little one.
Give me.
Yeah, no, say no, auntie.
How about big spoons too much?
I can't wait to get my cupboards up. But we're getting a special kind of cupboards we're having made. Custom made for here. But it won't be made until the, what is that? Oh, a toy. Oh yeah, I know. Until our dining room is ready. When our living and dining is ready, then we'll do the cupboards. Oh, they squeeze it like that, but you know squeeze out properly. You're not gonna squeeze out all the stuff. You have to go use your hand and squeeze it. Just squeeze it out and then you go juicy again. Juicy again.
That's it. One last time.
How much time did you juice it for?
2 times. Then I leave it.
Me no wafer.
What?
You can't make drinks.
What are you doing up there? Huh? Really? What are you doing up there? Calm down. You know what is that?
Yes.
So what are you doing up there? Counter. So what are you doing up there?
No.
It's not for you to sit down.
Yes, a foreign come from.
You beat you?
Foreigner. That's what the foreign kids them do. Yeah, majority of the overseas kids. All the adults them you see them sit down on the country counter. Over.
What kind of looking funny?
Eh? Me? All the people miss it put up them foot nail, them foot
You didn't
nail.
show one video when are you even sure?
I don't think so.
The man and
Me see somebody put up them foot on them counter and clip them toenail on them counter.
I was a black woman, he come in and catch a boy and a girl. So I asked him, say, what they do in the kitchen because he see something. So they want to try convince her, say she don't see nothing. So she say, yeah, I saw you guys. So boy, I asked him what they do. So he went and say, we're not trying a new stuff. I'm gonna try something new. So you want to course in my kitchen?
And bright door on the palm people kitchen counter. Eh? So then you want to try new stuff, then I get them one house place to try new things. Okay, so we're gonna get ready to juice it one more time. You need a spoon or you don't need it?
Yeah, I need it.
So like I said, tomorrow is Easter.
Break.
Easter Sunday. There'll be no Easter.
No school.
No, there'll be no
That's your problem about no school. That is your problem.
there'll be no rice and peas tomorrow. We eat for tomorrow's dinner. See, Lania showing you what is for one part of the dinner. Lasagna.
We really don't want no rice and peas. Make some.
What do you mean you cook some? No, we're not looking about rice and peas. We're gonna just do some plain white rice.
No.
There's enough stuff, babe. You're having macaroni pie and all sorts of other stuff. How much things do you need?
Rice and peas.
You're having a little bit of white rice. You're gonna have Bamiyan Festival, Mario.
If you have rice and peas for Sunday, I don't know.
Hello, your face paper you not know Sunday. Suppose they don't have no money for buy peas or the the coconut cream and stuff. Hello, you know much people don't have can't afford to have rice and peas every Sunday, much less a Sunday meal. Eh? Yeah. Background, that's an ugly backdrop. That's because the chichi eat it up, rain and everything, because that is the way to go towards our dining room. It's our dining room entrance. So that's the reason you're seeing it. Amico!
Oh no, you got fire.
You see a look of yes? Eh? Oh, you're cute, sir.
Elvis, throw this over where the bushes.
Yeah, Amico.
Not throw this straight there now?
Let me know that.
Oh, me know yesterday, man.
Is it a love girl? Eh? Hey, Miko. You love girl, eh? You don't need this anymore,
Yes,
eh?
I'm going to use it this way.
Oh. I thought you were finished. I'll watch it all. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna say sweet up or something.
So what's up?
So what's up?
Chinese berry.
Okay. So what is that you're doing now?
Yay, chua.
Beat and straighten it.
Okay. And then,
Make sure not nice escape. Do it again.
so you're gonna do it one more time?
I want to see the mushroom.
I asked him when they mash up.
Yeah?
We say you get height. Scary. So me could look at. Where's that? What is that you have?
Hello.
Eh? So you strain it one more time. Oh Lord.
How they're going in the little stuff and...
But how when you add the stuff then that not gonna be too much?
That's why I'm going to throw it back in this. I'll put this over there.
Okay.
Give me
This
a
is
spoon.
the mommy singing man. The mommy singing man.
Oh you know say I'm not sing. Yeah ba. Okay, so hey, you're no drying up in my video now, madam.
Go.
So this is what you put in it. So what is this? Supplement?
Supplicant.
Irish moss?
Mash.
Mush?
Oh.
Mousse.
I love
And then condensed milk.
May I have nutmeg?
supplicant.
I think me Karina has some. Lanya, go ask mommy for if she have nutmeg.
She don't have none. Are they
What is it?
something she have?
What did you say?
So you know, say if you buy nutmeg, Mr. Williams, you have vanilla.
They may have none.
And to repeat it
Here,
again?
put this in the garbage.
Put that in the garbage. No, I was asking if mommy had nutmeg.
May use this. Cinnamon.
Egg.
No, put no cinnamon in it.
Hmm?
That was for the French toast.
I don't think mommy have rotten egg.
I know rotten egg. Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Yes, nutmeg. Like I said, rotten egg.
I don't think so.
And then they put some GB. This is some of the good
People
stuff.
get drunk.
Some of the good stuff.
They gotta drink it too.
You gotta drink what?
Oh, sir. Where do we go? Knife? Oh, you want it?
One knife. Yeah, one knife.
Jamaican need to cut milk.
Yeah, definitely is. I still cut milk like that overseas if I can't find my knife if I can't find a cutter. Oh, you could smell the JB. Man, that thing's strong.
JB, that's the white one.
Oh yeah, JB. I call it Drunkabati. So the RN, Ray and nephew. Put it down, Lanny, before you mash it. Before you mash it. So then you sweeten.
Sweeten to taste.
Sweeten to taste. That's sweet.
Is it already?
So where you go put that in now?
Go ask Rally if he have no nutmeg.
Okay, so he added vanilla, and what else did you add to it?
What?
Did you add any sugar? What else did you add to it?
No, it's no sugar because it condensed milk.
So the condensed milk, and you just add more vanilla. You usually would add nutmeg to it, but we don't have any.
Young people.
Let's walk.
This is not for kids.
Let's see.
It says, oh, is it 18 and over?
Yeah.
Let's go.
20 over too.
21 and over in 21 and over in the US. As in Jamaica, how is it? 16 and over. 18 and older to be able to drink this.
Who's drink this? You want to come up for it?
Yeah, crazy. That's what I said. Let me ask for one if they have a bigger one. A bigger drink jug. You go ask.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my